In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily get your WhatsApp link. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. And of course, do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys. So, let's get started. And unfortunately, there is no such feature on WhatsApp app that allows us to copy our WhatsApp link. However, we can easily generate it. All we have to do is just go to a conversation with a user whom we would like to share our WhatsApp link with. We can go to a conversation on WhatsApp or at any other messenger or social media platform. And all we have to do is just enter wa.me, then /. And after that, you just need to enter your WhatsApp phone number. In that way, do not forget to enter country code before the phone number. And once you are done with that, just send this link just like that. And then any user can tap at that link to go to a conversation with you on WhatsApp.